Hello students, here is your class of physical education. First of all, your very first chapter is planning in sports. And in this chapter, you have to learn first what is planning. Planning is the predetermined course of action. I think planning is the part of everyone's life. That means you should decide in advance. Planning is like a good map. Good plan is like a roadmap which shows final destination and best way to reach the goal. So I can say that the planning is thinking in advance or thinking before doing the task. If I am saying planning is before doing the task, so what you have to think, these are the things. First is what to do, means what task you have to do. Then where to do, means location where you want to do that task, at what time you want to do, then how to do, means process, which process you have to apply in this task, then by whom is to be done, means who is complete this task. So that's why we are organized committee and we attach member in committee and distribute their work for this task. So here is the definition of planning. Planning comprises the process of setting goals, developing strategies, and outlining tasks and schedule the accomplished goals. Means students, so planning is systematic preparation before starting any task to getting good result. So that's why we are applying so many strategies in task and outline the task for achieve the goals. Here is the second definition, means in our textbooks so many definition are there. So according to Krill Woodson, here is the definition: to plan is to produce a scheme for future action to bring about specified cost in a period of time. So we have to learn this definition for examination because they ask what is the definition of planning. Then next, planning in sports. So what is the planning in sports? The planning done in respect of sports training or tournament termed as sports planning. So here is the question: who is going to do and who is organize this planning? So planning done by coach or teachers, and organized by manager. Here's the important topic, means objective of planning. So here is the first objective: to reduce the chance of mistakes. If we have proper schedule, if we have proper schedule plan before doing tasks, so there will be rarely chance of any mistakes, although this cannot be avoided completely, but reduced. But there are so many numbers of mistakes in any events we are going to throw any event. So there are too many number of mistakes, then it will leave a negative impression, and that is not good. For that purpose, planning is required to reduce chance of mistakes. And then next is to save time. If we don't plan prior, we have to sort things on the spot, and that will lead to wastage of time. So scheduling proper time management improves productivity. Then next is to improve sports performance. It is most important objective in planning because end of the day we all want to good result. So proper planning leads to better training. Better training produce good results. So that's why proper planning is important. Then next is to increase creativity. A proper planning can enhance the creativity uh, among official, among teachers, among players, among any members of committee, because planning can helping innovative ideas. So for innovative ideas, planning is required. Then to make proper coordination, planning in any sports has an objective to facilitate for proper coordination among various members of committee, among officials, because with planning we can do proper division of work, and proper division of work leads proper coordination. So that's why proper planning is important. The next one is to remove confusion and stress. As we have done proper division of work, that will also remove unnecessary stress and confusion. All are clear their task. Who is the means committee members, and who is the organized events. So they are distribute work in between committee members, in between team members. So they all are clear their tasks, what are their work, what are their duties. They complete all tasks with sincerely, because all are having responsibility about their works. And then next is better utilization in resources. As we can use all our resources in best way with proper planning. If we have planned properly, that are which resources are good in which tasks, that we are can do better utilization of resources, and we are planned good strategies in our task. Our plan should be run smoothly like this object, so facilitate smooth run of events. See here, to reduce the chance of mistakes because of proper planning, to save time because of proper planning, to improve sports performance because of proper planning, to increase creativity because of proper planning, and design any strategies to make proper coordination because of proper planning in between our officials, in between our members, to remove confusion and stress uh, because of proper planning. So here is the last objective: facilitate smooth run of events because of this all strategies, these all objectives. We see you soon in next session. Thank you.